Get nothing until you subscribe to her.
How does it feel?
Cool.
So this is a really nice anti-aging regimen, and it's also good for acne. It's good for large pores. It's pretty dope.
I have large pores.
There you go. You can do this one twice a month. Every time you go, you can add this to your facial.
Very light, like whipped cream on your face. This is gonna help
Just
your
target your nose.
pretty good anti-aging treatment. Gives you also like a really nice
All right. What do we have here? Let's see. They have a coffee espresso.
What's the difference between a regular chai and a dirty chai?
So the regular chai is just chai, and then the dirty chai is a shot espresso, and it's ready to go on.
You should see my license plate. It says tacos on it. Yeah.
Want it with the dirty chai?
No, I just like tacos.
No, say it's my business when I eat it.
When I eat it, it is my business. See, I have stomach issues, so I can't have more than 4. Because if I eat 4, I'm already dying. Like, drive to the house now.
the best coffee in the world.
They have tacos outside.
So yeah, that's why I came. I made sure that I was gonna come for that.
We came with enough time.
Yeah. We have the guys over here. The taco lovers. Ay, Dios mío. Oh, the goodies. Let me record the goodies. We have Gloria here. Say what's up, what's up, what's up. I have a hot cocoa. Because you do look super cute today. I love it. Oh, shit. Vamos a ver qué está haciendo el taquero. Y'all know this is where I have to be at. Buenas, ¿cómo está?
Bien, gracias.
Aquí, mire, quiero ser la primera en recibir tacos, no se crea. Let's see. We got the sauces. Crema. We got the chips, y'all. El taquero de ahora. We got some pool floaties. ¿Quién se va a meter a la alberca ahorita? Me pregunto yo. No manches, está fría el agua. Oh, food. What we got right here. So we're just here hanging out with my amiguis. We have the pool over here. We're talking with Santa because he's a very bad Santa. Waiting for, the taco smells so good.
We're just talking though.
Yeah, talking.
We're just talking.
Platicando nomás con el Santa. Es que me he portado muy mal este año.
I was telling him what I wanted for Christmas. That's all that happened.
El chisme with him.
Chisme. We just chismeando with Santa. That's
So they're
literally what
doing B12 shots here. If anybody knows what B12 shots are?
I don't know what they are, but I'm
They're
gonna get one.
vitamins.
I don't know what they are, but I'm gonna get one because.
She needs to get one. Yes. Then we have a pool here.
And you guys saw we both got a little like cryo facial earlier.
I know. My
So
face
now we don't
feels
have
good.
any pores now. I'm snatched. Thank you, BH.
It's not sponsored, but anyway, still use Pretty Grace for some money off. Right?
Yes, pretty grace.
Pretty Grace for some money off.
Always.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So you want to tell us excited? Sorry.
Acai is a Brazilian berry.
Okay.
Doesn't really have any flavor in it, but it is full of antioxidants. So we do mix
Okay.
So our acai bowl has a berry flavor to it. Then we do have our pitaya or dragon fruit blend, which is blended with bananas, strawberries, and pineapples. And it's got a frozen strawberry lemonade taste to it.
Oh.
They're both really good.
Can we get one of each so we can try it? Yeah. This will be the first time we ever, well, at least me, try one. Yeah.
I become obsessed. The first time I try and then after I'll just
Feel like I need them.
Yeah. Because they're healthy and they taste good and
I don't know about healthy. Obviously, as you can tell, I don't know anything. I'm over there waiting for the guy to start the
it tastes like a
tacos.
dessert. You know?
Okay.
Yeah,
Like
you
a
can use it as
chocolate
dessert.
cake dessert.
If you add chocolate granola, then yeah.
What kind of granola would you like? I got vanilla almond, chocolate. I also have a gluten-free option.
I told you, I'm not healthy. Why are you trying to offer me some of that stuff you have over there? No. Man, just surprise me.
Surprise you?
Yeah, surprise me.
Do one or half.
You're gonna be like, this girl's crazy. I'm just saying.
He's gonna be like, please don't
Like,
pray off.
I'm not healthy. Hello. I just had this conversation with the Santa guy. I'm not a healthy person. He's over there like, he's like about the milk, about the ingredients, and I'm like, yeah, and I was like, I'm over here with my hot chocolate. It's like, oops.
What fruit would you like for that?
Surprise me, yeah.
Are you allergic to any other
No,
fruit?
I'm not.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Thank
just
God
go
I'm not
ahead
allergic to anything. It looks
Have
so
you ever
pretty.
heard of a sign before? Or
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay.
I have, yeah.
You just never had the
I've
opportunity to
never,
try it.
because to me it's healthy, so I'm like,
But it doesn't taste like, you know how sometimes
a mí
you
dame
have-
unos tacos grasosos, eso
Pues
sí
sí,
me lo
también.
como. De rato with a heart attack and stuff.
No.
Thank you. Ooh.
And how about you? Which one do you like? Just mango? Blueberry? Just those two?
Yeah, the one strawberry.
I could definitely show some love and on Instagram at Amazeballs.
If you want to say your information, because I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel.
All right. So we are Amazeballs. We are located in the Arts District, downtown LA, on 300 South Santa Fe.
So I'll put their information down there for you guys if you guys want to check them out. You guys have a card though, right?
A website. Or we also have catering, as you can tell,
Okay.
or another location in Pasadena as well. Which is like
Their moment.
Clearly she's got an aesthetic and a theme.
Alrighty, guys. B12 apparently is a jam. A little off the shoulder. ¿Te dolió?
You gotta get on the act. We're in beta mode for the store.
There we go.
It's
She's on. She's a vision of health now. B12.
B12 is awesome.
Zip it up. Zip it up.
Ready for your shot?
Yeah.
Get a shot in your butt.
It's just gonna be the perfect like health mode. I'm just starting my health kick early. I don't want to wait till the new year.
Right?
Normally no. People taste it more with the IV.
Oh, okay.
The hydration. And it goes in. I'm assuming that's more like the hangover thing? Yeah. Alright. We don't need that.
Off the shoulder moment.
so painful, you guys.
Makes me want to get another tattoo.
I don't even have one.
Oh,
That's
here,
it, girl, you
she's
always-
gonna put the band-aid on.
Huh.
She already did it. She's a pro.
Thank you so much. Done.
Ya nos vamos.
Gracias a Dios. We
We made it.
we got our little gifts.
Everybody gets BH this year.
You get BH, you get BH, we all get BH.
like Oprah,
I
but
know.
with BH.
I know. We're just waiting for our
For our
Uber guy so we can go home because I am so done. I bet you he's Uber too, huh?
Probably.
Yeah, so this is the house that they rented.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Let me tell y'all, the bathroom,
Tell them about your
all-
little experience.
it's all mirrored, except for like a part that's like this big. Y yo estaba ahí haciendo el baño. I had to pee, right? And I look up as I'm wiping my ass, and there's a guy sitting in the part that doesn't have any mirror.
He probably
So,
saw your ass.
I was like, I gave someone a peep show. Babe, I'm so sorry. I didn't do it on purpose.
Free.
I don't know what to tell you. I hope you enjoyed seeing my ass.
I am so ready to go home. I want some pizza.
I want some pizza too. It's not approved. It's not approved.
Oh.
That's a no.
So this is how you
No.
dress to go take your dog out. Okay.
It's a
Okay,
no.
we just want to go home now. We're done. We're done. We're done. Bye, guys.